Building credit is important. The good news is it's never been easier to do so. When it comes to building credit, you want to choose the right tool. There are a few options that are definitely better than others. While you could always use a secure credit card to build credit, there is a new emerging option called Self-Lender that has some unique features that make it worth considering. Building credit with Self-Lender is simple. You start by applying for a credit builder account. There is no credit pull required, so if you have bad credit or no credit, it's not an issue. Once you have the account, you make small monthly payments and watch as your credit score increases over a 12-month time frame. Let's take a more detailed look. This is Self-Lender's overview page. You will be taken to this page once you register. Registration is free. I will include a link in the description. Self-Lender gives you a free Vantage score that updates monthly so you can track your progress. To start building credit, you click on Apply. The Credit Builder account is essentially a personal loan in reverse. With a personal loan, you get the funds first and then make monthly payments after. The opposite is true with the Credit Builder account. You make payments first, then you get the funds. By funding you after you've made your payments, there's little risk for Self-Lender, and that's exactly how they're able to qualify you without a credit pull. The Credit Builder account is ideal for people with no credit and an absolute godsend for people with bad credit. Okay, so here's how Self-Lender works. First, you pick one of 4 plans. To keep things simple, I recommend the $48 plan. For credit building purposes, the amount you choose is not important. What is important is that you make your payments on time for the entire 12 months. To open the account, there is a one-time $15 admin fee. Then you will make monthly payments of $48, which will report to all 3 credit bureaus, helping you to establish good credit history. Once you've made all 12 payments, you will receive $545. This plan will cost you a total of $46. Here's a quick breakdown. $15 admin fee plus 12 monthly payments of $48 equals $591. You will receive $545, so your costs come out to be $46. Having good credit will save you immensely over your lifetime. $46 is a small price to pay. So that's Self-Lender in a nutshell. But before you apply, you want to set the right expectations. The primary purpose of Self-Lender is to build credit. I know they say that it's like a savings account, but it's not. The Credit Builder account is a real loan that reports to the credit bureaus. You want to make sure that you can comfortably manage making your monthly payments. If you miss a payment, it will negatively impact your credit. Now that you have the right expectations, building credit with Self-Lender will be a breeze. Lastly, consider subscribing if managing your credit is something that you're actively working on. Thank you for watching.